In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive database pages in Notion. Whether you're looking to clean up your workspace or just want to organize your pages better, archiving your Notion pages is a great way to start. Let's dive into the process, step by step. First, you'll want to navigate from the Notion homepage. This is the main entry point for all of your Notion activities and serves as a familiar starting point. As you're on the home page, take note of the left-hand side of your screen where you can find all your databases listed. This panel contains an overview of everything you've been working on, so it's crucial to locate the specific database that you wish to archive. Once you've identified the database, direct your attention to the top right corner of that particular database page. There, you'll see an icon represented by 3 dots. This icon is essentially the Options menu, and clicking it will reveal several options related to your database management. After clicking on the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you should look for an option that says Move to Trash. Now, while this might sound like something that would permanently delete your page, don't worry. In Notion, Trash essentially works as an archival folder, where you can temporarily archive items before deciding on whether to restore or delete them permanently. Go ahead and click Move to Trash to archive the database page. Next, you might be wondering how to restore a page once it's been moved to the trash. To do this, check your trash by navigating to the Trash section in your workspace or sidebar. Here, you can view all the items that you have archived. Sometimes, the trash might not update immediately, so if you don't see your archived page right away, try refreshing the page. This refresh should update the trash view and properly display all the recently archived pages. If you decide to restore the page, simply find the page you want to bring back and click on Restore. Once you do that, it will be returned to its original location in your workspace, ready for you to work on again. There is yet another option where you can click on Restore Page, found at the top corner of your interface, which performs the same action. It's important to remember, however, that pages in the trash will only be stored there temporarily. If an item sits in the trash for more than 30 days without being restored, Notion will automatically delete it permanently. So always make sure to restore any pages you need within that time frame to prevent accidental loss of data. And there you have it. You've now learned how to efficiently archive and restore database pages in Notion. Hopefully, this guide helps keep your workspace clean and organized. Happy organizing!